welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Promise. I'm back with another banging video. Today I'll be showing you how I did this wig from Aliexpress. Yes, I said Aliexpress. It's a Yopa wig. You don't need no glue, you don't need no lace front. That's too much money. It's waste of money. Yeah, happy new year guys. It's new year guys. Show love. This is my first video for this year, so just show love to your sis. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and see ya in the video. Hey guys, so this the hair. It come with I think 6 clips. Yeah, to the up front and then to the back, like one on the right, one on the left, and then one in the back. And I get this hair from Aliexpress. So guys, the product I'll be using in this hair, I'll be using my Honey Hydrate Leave-In Conditioner and Eagle Styling Gel to like define the curls, because if I use the Eagle Styling Gel by itself, it will make it more high, but the Honey Hydrate make it soft. So both of them joined together define the curls good. So yeah, that's, and some water. I don't have spray bottle, so I end up using my hand. Get the water from the sink and then use my hand. I'm using a comb for me to comb the hair, and the comb I'm using is a big teeth comb. Yeah, that's what I'm using. I'm not using no brush, because the brush will make the hair to be puffy, will be like a kinky curls, but I'm not trying to go for kinky curls, so yeah, that's why. So guys, I already braid my hair off camera, like you can see. I know this hair look like a baby Mahoya hair right now, but don't talk about it because it's growing in a wig, baby girl. If you want for your hair to be slick, neat, you can do that, but not me.
The love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
If you see me zooming into the camera, because I'm trying to see what I'm doing. I don't have no mirror in my room, and I'm not trying to go in the bathroom to pat the hairline. So yeah.
Make my heart speak. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style.
So guys, I use the same exact product that I use, the Eagle Styling Gel and the Honey Hydrated. I think it's hydration or hydrated. I don't know. But Honey Leave-In Conditioner. Yeah, I'll just put the pictures right up there for you to see it.
not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think of it away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on the night.
I only use two products: the honey hydrate and the Eagle styling gel. That's all I use on this hair, and that's the Eagle styling gel I do my edges with always. So yeah, because everything else be flaking, it be getting white, so I don't use nothing else. You don't have to use the same product I use, but you can use different product. Yeah, you can use any conditioner. It should just be leave-in conditioner. That's it, and a gel. That's all you need for this hair. It's even simple, sir. So I'm going to allow the hair to dry, and then I'll just make it puffy because I don't like the curls. It's too much. So guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you love this hairstyle, and yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming video. And see you in my next video. Peace out.